Good morning.
Morning.
There's Jimmy. A little bit weird, I guess, last night, but fun. We glad Jason can take a joke, and it's cool running into him down here. I don't know if y'all remember from a few videos back. He rides a KLR. He's just down here doing some hiking, and we decided to surprise him. He wasn't camping too far away from us, so played a little joke on him.
Surprised him, all right.
Yeah, so that was pretty fun. He got a good kick out of it too. He's laughing about it. So, and we didn't get shot by him, so that was good too. But yeah, we're just gonna pack up this morning and head down to Stump House Tunnel. First we got to make a stop by Dollar General. Yeah, I know that's not very adventurous, but I forgot a special ingredient for our breakfast this morning that we got to do. So we're gonna stop by Dollar General and then cook breakfast at the tunnel.
Just slam him on the floor or something.
Everybody, we off. I'm going to, like I said, we got stopped by Dollar General. A few miles down the road. Pick up something for our breakfast. Yeah. Said that we forgot at home, and then we're heading to Stump House Tunnel. So should be a good day.
It should be a great day, actually.
Hey, me and Timmy was talking this morning, and y'all might can relate. Somebody might comment, but we was talking about this motorcycle riding and camping stuff. Every day ain't perfect and every day ain't fun, but you try to make the best out of it and make it fun, because hey, you might hear it might be cliche, but you only live once. Get out here and this is what you like doing, whether it's hiking, whatever you like doing, you better enjoy it while you can, because one day we're not going to be here, and or something can happen and you're not be able to do it anymore. So we say one thing: enjoy what you're doing and just make the best of it. Even if it means goofing off, even if you ain't as crazy as some people, whatever, just have fun with it.
Yeah, I love it.
Yep, I do too.
I love it.
Everybody, we're at Dollar General. Everybody knows they got one of these. You could live on Mars and have a Dollar General, I think. I don't care what state you're in. Maybe not in other countries, but definitely down here you can.
That's not good.
We got our Dollar General supplies on to Stump House, and we're here. Some people that watch our channel locally probably know about this place, but people that's from all over might not. You do got to pay to go down here. If everybody knows, it's like $5, I think. Let's see, $5 parking fee. Oh yeah, we want to go find us cooking some breakfast first. We can get right there and cook breakfast.
We can ride up in there too, though. Just park right next to our table on flat ground.
Yeah, well, there's the tunnel right there. We're going to cook breakfast first and check out the tunnel. All right, look, we're going. We had a better plan for this. Well, I was going to do the breakfast to pay tribute to our boy Ian from Oz ADV Rider.
Yeah.
Because he made a traditional Aussie breakfast. It's called a bacon egg roll. He used eggs. Look, we transported them. We took the challenge. We transported them whole. We'll see if they broke. They sound pretty good in there. Bacon, we cheated on. Sorry. pre-made bacon because our pan ain't big enough. Yeah, we can't do it. So yeah, so we cheat on the bacon, pre-made, but and your bread was much cooler. Oh, I had some cool bread. I'm telling you, I had some cool bread. So forgive me. I had some ciabatta bread. It looked all fancy.
It ended up like this.
But so we had to stop at DG, get these. We got our eggs, bread, we got barbecue sauce. So what he basically did, you take bacon, fry you an egg, take bacon, put on a bread, barbecue sauce. They call it a bacon egg roll. His roll was much cooler though, trust me.
Yeah.
But
For real.
here in America, as everybody knows, if you subscribe here, especially if you're from probably East Coast, we just call them bacon egg sandwiches. And we usually put cheese on them. Most people do. I never had them with barbecue sauce on them, so
I'm gonna try.
yeah, we're gonna give that a try and see how it works out. I think it's gonna be pretty good. So,
Me too.
thank you, Oz, for the shout out again.
Thank you, Oz. Appreciate it, man.
And we just wanted to give you a little shout out back
Yep.
and cook your traditional Aussie breakfast, even though you outdone us. Yeah, I'm not good at that. That ain't too pretty.
It's all right, though.
These frying pans are hard to use on these little backpacking stoves to make stuff pretty. But it ain't got to be pretty. It's just got to taste good. The only downside to this is pre-made bacon, which bacon's just pre-cooked. You just ain't got to fry it. This stuff was almost $5. Look, that's like 4 pieces of bacon in there. That's robbery there.
Could have got a bag of beef jerky for that.
Yeah, that's crazy. But it's gonna work, I guess. It'll make it. We're gonna eat the whole goddamn pack too. All right, barbecue sauce on. Egg, bacon, barbecue on a hamburger bun. I had much cooler bread, but all right. Taste test. Never had barbecue on stuff like this. Here we go. Hey,
Good
delicious. I had to say,
cook.
pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know about a beer this early in the morning, but cheers, Oz.
Yeah, pretty good stuff. We'll get to eating and go check out this tunnel. All right, gonna make our way up to the tunnel now. Gotta walk up this goddamn hill up here. Little train car, right there. Making your way up this hill. Yeah, it's the roughest part about coming up here. I already feel the cool air coming out. What would you call this, tunnel spelunking?
Yeah, this is sparking.
Tunnel spelunking. Look at it. I'll stop right here. Get a little view. All the chisel marks. They chiseled it out by hand. But Timmy knows some more of the history than I do. But
Not too whole lot. I know this started in the late or early 1850s. Connect the railroad from Charleston and Knoxville. And pretty much the Blue Ridge Railroad Company kind of abandoned the project because after millions of dollars spent and a lot of lives lost, they had a lot further to go than what they made, so they stopped.
yeah. What if we can camp in here?
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, there's a motor camping in here. Yeah, right up into the back. You ain't got to worry about rain. It's all the dripping water off the top of the ceiling here. There's a bat up there, y'all. Right there. There's a few in here. He's got to look for them. See, they got this gate right here now. Used to be able to go back. You can see that little bit of glimmer of light down there. The flashlight's messing it up a little bit, but there's like a little bit of glimmer of light down there. And there's a hole in the top of the tunnel. I don't know if it was naturally there or what, but you see how dark it is when you cut that light off? Look, that's how dark it goes in here. And then you turn around, and there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Look, another cave animal that Timmy ate last night. Look, crawfish. Water. You got it? There he is right there. Yeah. Right here with the light is. Timmy has caught a mud bug. Crawfish, look, he caught it.
He is a true mud bug too.
Oh yeah, he's all he's down in the cave dwelling mud bug. More of the cave dwellers. Look, there's a frog right there. Y'all see him? There you go. There's a little tour of the tunnel. I know tons of history about it. We read up on it some and been down here a few times. So I've been down here since I was a kid, but it's pretty cool. People that's from around here, like I said, they'll know it.
Really good day spot.
Yeah, I didn't ever know the whole time. I never knew like so many frogs and salamanders and everything else lives in that cave back there, or tunnel. Pretty cool. But there's a few more little things to check out, and little rail car right here. Just give you a little kind of overview of the whole little area. It's a pretty cool little place to visit. $5, can't beat it. There's hiking trails all through there. It's like a little baby waterfall over there, over in that area, but.
Can walk up on top of the tunnel too, and there's trails on both sides that you go.
Yeah, you used to be able to go like way up there, and there's a hole in that tunnel. Like I said, you can see down through it, but I think they blocked all that off. I ain't sure. We ain't got hiking shoes on today, so we ain't doing that. Old rail car right here. That's been there probably since the creation of this place. Pretty cool area though. You just want to have a picnic with the family, explore the tunnel. Hey, if it's on real hot, if it's 90 degrees outside, go in that tunnel and it'll be 60. We're on the same property still. This is down here. It's also a waterfall down here called the Queen of Falls. A little bit of a walk down from there, but there's another parking area down here. So for your $5, you get a tunnel and you get also a cool waterfall. I'll show y'all. See if we can get a side shot of it. Like I said, we ain't gonna walk down to the bottom of that trail because it's steep and don't got the shoes for that. Not today.
Timmy's grumpy knees won't hold up to that either today.
Cool little view though.
Still pretty though.
Look. See it way out through there. There's y'all view of it from up here. Where it starts. Works its way down.